reviewing stock number 190746 on a 2018 GMC 3500. Our exterior color is white. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, sunroof controls, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electromatic mirror, CD, AM, FM, XM satellite radio ready with USB and auxiliary support, dual zone electronic climate control with AC, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo line controls, park assist controls, lane departure warning, hill descent controls, and diesel exhaust brake. And our interior color is brown. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box finder, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 190746 on a 2018 GMC 3500. Our exterior color is white.